how to buy and sell Shiba right on Gemini. Very simple and very easy. And let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Yes, Gemini, Shiba, finally a partnership. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Right below this video, you can sign up for your free Gemini account and you can do this today. Now, when you log into Gemini, come to market. You see this market button here? Click on market and then find Shiba. Shiba should be right below here. And you can also search for it right here as well. So you can actually search for it in the search bar by typing in Shiba. See that? If I click on view details, it'll give me a pretty much an overview of what Shiba's doing in terms of the price, the graph, and some information about it as well. So if I click on, if I go here, if I click on read more, I'll learn what Shiba does, about Shiba, the token, the supply, and also the website as well. Now, if I'm just trying to buy this, it's very simple to do this. You just go over here to your top, to your right, and make sure buy is highlighted. And how often, you can do this pretty much often as you want. You can do this daily, weekly, twice a month, or monthly. We're gonna do this once, and we're gonna just do $25 worth, right? Continue there. And what you want to do, you want to make sure your bank account is hooked up. Now, if you don't have your bank account hooked up because you're starting off your free account, you can click on add bank or debit card by clicking right there, and it'll pretty much redirect you to those options there, debit card or bank account. But we're going to go ahead and do it right now from our bank account. Click here. Now, it does say available for withdrawal 4 to 5 business days. And it breaks down how many Shiba will I get and the transaction fee and also the order amount as well. Click on confirm, and from here it just says your buy order has been placed. And so now I got it. I can go right to my portfolio and I'm going to see Shiba right in my portfolio. So from there, I'll see that transaction right here. You see that there? Click there. If I click on there, I'll see Shiba right in my portfolio, and I'll see my Shiba, $23 worth, 100% portfolio, and here's my quality of Shiba. Now, if I'm trying to sell this, I will do the same thing. I can just say, okay, let's say I'm trying to sell 200,000. Now, if I'm trying to sell 200,000, let me see here. Let me see. I think I did this. Oh, let me back up. Okay, if I'm trying to sell, 200,000 will be about $7.64. I will review the order. It says confirm here. So it says 200,000 Shiba, $7.59. Transaction fees, total due to you is $6.60. What happens is when you sell this, this is going to go right to your USD. So if I confirm that sale, it's going to go right to my USD coin. So it's going to go right here. It's going to go right here. And then from here, that's where I'll sell this to my bank account. Okay. So that's how you buy and sell. It's really simple and really easy. Very simple. You make sure you have your account logged in, tie in your bank account or your debit card. And you can do all this right here, to be honest with you. You can select how often you want to buy, how much you want to buy. And you can sell the same exact way based off how many Shiba you have. So you can do this right on your mobile device. You can do this right on your desktop. Very simple and very easy. And one thing that I started to do is when I buy my Shiba, I'm actually been using this place called Earn, if I can earn more interest. So this is what I've been doing. So I'm going to see if Shiba has that option here. And don't know if they have that option here yet. But I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I go to portfolio, and if I go to my portfolio, all my positions here like Uniswap, Ethereum, 1inch, just a little bit of them here, I have into my earn balance, so I'm earning interest every day on here. So if Shiba has this option, let's see if it does. It does. Let me click on earn, and let me see earn, and see if I can find Shiba. I don't see Shiba here in the earn area. Not yet. I don't see it on there yet. So I'm gonna go click on her again. I'm gonna see if it is, because it says action, It says earn, but I don't see any earn option yet. But I'm sure it will be added in here at some point, because I don't see it in here at all. Because this is all the Gemini earning sequences, or assets, I should say. So I don't see Shiba there. But once it does get added in here, I will probably go ahead and click on the earn as well. So buying and selling Shiba, very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, Shiba is getting everywhere. It finally got listed on Gemini. AMC is going to get listed there in terms you can use it for your tickets and concessions. And buying and selling on Gemini is really simple. And you can transfer this as well. You can transfer this token. When you can transfer this, once you can transfer it to another exchange, basically. So you can do that as well. I'll see you on the next video.